In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove card from GoDaddy. If you've ever updated your billing details or simply want to tidy up old payment information, removing a saved card from your GoDaddy account is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect, along with a few tips to avoid common hiccups. Once you're signed in and on your GoDaddy dashboard, start by heading to the Profile area. Look to the top right of the page for your profile icon. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu is your gateway to the personal and billing settings we need. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you into your Account Hub, where GoDaddy keeps your profile, security, and payment options. Think of it as the control center for anything related to how you pay for renewals, domains, and products. Inside your Account Hub, locate and click Payment Methods. This section lists all saved cards and any other payment options you've added. You'll typically see the card brand, the last 4 digits, the expiration date, and whether a card is marked as the default for renewals. Find the specific card you want to remove. Next to that card, look for a Remove option. Depending on your view, this might be a remove link, a trash can icon, or an option inside a 3-dot menu. Click Remove, then confirm when GoDaddy asks you to verify the change. Confirmation helps prevent accidental deletions. If you don't see Remove or it's grayed out, there are a couple of common reasons. The card might be set as your default payment method, or it may be tied to an active renewal or a pending charge. In those cases, switch your default to another valid method or update the payment method for the impacted product. Once the card is no longer the default or linked to a pending item, you'll be able to remove it. A quick tip: if you want your services to continue without interruption, add a replacement card before you delete the old one. And if your goal is to stop renewals, remember that removing a card doesn't cancel products. You'll want to manage auto-renew settings on each product instead. After you confirm removal, the page will refresh and the card should disappear from the list. Double-check that only the payment methods you intend to keep remain. While you're here, it's a good time to make sure your billing address is up to date. That's it. Your card has been removed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to clean up your payment methods.